So you just got a new computer, or maybe you just moved to into a new spot, and now you're wondering, how do I connect this thing to Wi-Fi without using a cable? Which is totally a fair question. Maybe you don't have any internet cable, or your router's in another room. Then you are not alone. Tons of people think you need a wire to get internet on your PC. But the good news is you can absolutely connect your computer to Wi-Fi wirelessly, and it's way easier than you think. So in this video, I'll show you how you can do that step by step, whether you are using a laptop or desktop. So let's get started. The easiest way for laptop is to look at the bottom right corner of your screen and look for the Wi-Fi icon. It looks like the little radio waves. You have to click it and you will see a list of available networks. You have to choose your Wi-Fi name, then enter your password and click connect. That's all it takes to connect your laptop to Wi-Fi without any cable. And now for desktop, you might need some extra steps. For that, you can check if your PC have built-in Wi-Fi. For checking it, you have to go to settings, then network and internet, and then click on Wi-Fi. If you see a Wi-Fi option, then great, your PC have wireless adapter built in. Just connect the same way as you would do on laptop. And if there's a no Wi-Fi option, then that's mean your desktop doesn't have Wi-Fi built in. But you don't have to worry about that. You can just get a small USB Wi-Fi adapter. You can find one online for super cheap, which is like under $10. Just plug it into your USB adapter, and mostly are just plug and play. For some of them you have to use or install drivers. Maybe your computer will automatically recognize it. Then now you will see a Wi-Fi icon. You can click it and select your network, enter your password, and you are good to go. So that's how you can connect your Wi-Fi without cable to laptop or PC. So whether it's for gaming work or just browsing or connecting your computer to Wi-Fi, it's super easy. And if this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech videos like that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.